Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the brand new Apple iPad Pro 4th generation, built in 2020. Yeah, our next computer is not a computer, it is an iPad Pro. It's a magical piece of glass. It's so fast, most PC laptops can't keep up with it. It has pro cameras that can transform reality, and we can use it with touch, pencil, keyboard, and now trackpad. It's the new iPad Pro. Oh, yo! The magic keyboard is coming later. I will show you in a different or extra video. You won't find a more advanced mobile display on the market now. Liquid Retina display is built in here. The edge-to-edge Liquid Retina display is not only gorgeous and immersive, but also features incredible advanced technologies like ProMotion, True Tone, and industry-leading color accuracy, which make everything feel responsive and look stunning. Quite simply, this combination of features makes it the world's most advanced mobile display there. Industry-leading color accuracy, ultra-low reflectivity, 120 Hz ProMotion, True Tone display, 600 nits brightness, P3 wide color gamut. Whoa! I choose the 12.9 inches. You can also buy it in 11 inches. Think you know iPad cameras? Think deeper. This is possible with the Pro cameras, which is in here in that iPad. Advanced cameras combined with a larger display, fast performance, and highly calibrated sensors have always made iPad ultra-wide cameras help you frame the perfect photo or video. And together with steady quality mix and 4 speakers audio, you can even set up a multi-camera filmmaking rig. There is a new 10 megapixel ultra wide camera and a 12 megapixel wide camera. Wow, this is wild and mild. You have a LiDAR scanner, LiDAR, light detection and ranging. This is used to determine distance by measuring how long it takes light to reach an object and reflect back. It's so advanced, it's being used by NASA for the next Mars landing mission, and it's now been engineered to fit in the thin and light iPad Pro. Oh, yo! The custom-designed LiDAR scanner uses directed time of flight to measure reflective light from up to 5 meters away, both indoors and outdoors. It works at the photo level, operated at nanosecond speeds, and opens up tremendous possibilities for augmented reality and beyond. The LiDAR scanner works with the Pro cameras, motion sensors, and framework in iPad operating system to measure depth. This combination of hardware, software, and unprecedented innovation makes the iPad Pro the world's best device for augmented reality. On the new iPad Pro, AR apps become even more realistic. Placing an AR automatic augmented reality objects now happens instantly. Realistic objects occlusion allows AR objects to pass in front of the and behind real-world structures. Improved motion captures and people occlusion are more accurate than ever, and developers will be awesome with this. Yeah, and we at home too. And you can use a Pro camera system. This makes the iPad Pro incredibly versatile. Shoot, edit, and share a 4K video all on the same device. Yeah, capture an entire room in one shot with your ultra-wide camera and use markup to redesign it on the spot. Or scan a document, sync or make it up with the Apple Pencil, then send back your notes with a tab. It will shoot 4K videos. It takes ultra wide photos, and you have a true depth camera. The front facing true depth camera enables Face ID, the world's most secure facial authentication in a tablet and in a computer. It also means you can chat with friends using FaceTime, take portrait selfies, or liven up your message conversations by turning yourself into an emoji. And it's faster than you can say personal computer. A12Z Bionic chip. Woo, the iPad Pro is so fast it outpaces most PC laptops available on today. It makes everything you do fast and fluid, from your everyday tasks to graphic intentions workflows. And the 8-core graphics processor means even more performance and realism for the apps and games where it matters most. Faster than, wow, most PC laptops out there. And 8-core graphics. This is awesome. You have a pro workflow here in one box. You can use multitasking. Oh yeah. And it is really a full size computer in a tablet. Awesome device, really awesome. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel soon.